My name's Fraser Thomson and I'm the Business Development Director with Cimlogic. So we're a software company based in the north of England. We help manufacturing companies that are interested to adopt the latest technology and use it to help them drive their performance and their efficiency, to help them be kind of world-class performers, help them get more volume out the door and hopefully grow UK manufacturing. Our main software offering is called TrakSYS. It's used to capture data from the shop floor of manufacturing companies and give them good visual information and KPIs such as OEE that will help them drive their performance. One of the things that makes us unique is our ability to capture data from the shop floor in a very simple and quick way. We can use these smart devices to connect to any sensor on the shop floor, capture its information and present the information to the management team, to the operations team in a visual way without the large costs and burden of IT infrastructure projects. Our ideal customer would typically be a manufacturer, high volume manufacturer of food and beverage, pharmaceuticals or CPG. If you are making a lot of goods and you're making them quite fast, then you tend not to be able to see how well you're performing with the human eye. You need to be able to capture automated data to say whether you're running at 500 units a minute or 450. Those are the kind of things you can't see, and you need data and information systems to help you. So at Cimlogic, we've been around now for about 22 years, and I suppose for the last 10 years we've been focusing on this area of kind of data within manufacturing and using data to drive efficiency. It's an area that I guess the UK historically has suffered from. The adoption of technology within manufacturing, the number of robots within UK manufacturing is normally much lower when you compare us to some of our continental neighbours in Germany, in the US and China particularly. So what we're about really is trying to help the UK manufacturing by getting them to adopt technology that's going to help them improve, help them get more volume, help them be more efficient, and help them be more sustainable for the long term. In terms of our vision as Cimlogic, we want to grow our business. We currently employ around 45 people in the north of the UK, and we want to drive that number up. We want to grow in the next 5-10 years.